So hello guys, no? Ayan, welcome back again sa ating programang The Action Man, no? At sa ating YouTube channel na The Action Man. Migalab shoutout po sa ating mga ka-action at mga kakampeng nationwide all over the world at sa ating malahat na mga viewers. So ito mga ka-action, arangkada pa lang arangkada pa lang ng Quadcom Committee ngayon na kung saan regarding po sa AGK at sa Pogo. Ito po, nag-motion ito si Congressman Luis Tro na ipasight in contempt ito si Harry Roque, mga ka-action, mga kakamping. Hinggil po ito sa hindi pa nagsumiti ng hinihingi ni Congressman Luis Tro na details regarding sa kanyang hinihingi kay Harry Roque, mga ka-action. Ito po, mukha yatang umano talaga ang kapalaran o ang katotohanan. Wala man lang kahit isang tumutol sa nasabing motion ni Congressman Luis Tro. Ito po mga ka-action, pakinggan po natin ito.
Ang right to public information, matters of public interest kumpara sa right to privacy. And finally, Mr. Chair, he invoked the right to due process. The purpose of our hearing, to give ample opportunity to our resources speaker to explain their side. We satisfy amply the requirement of notice and even the requirement of hearing. But we are all witnesses. He has been dispensing his opportunity to be able to explain before the Quad all the possible allegations which are being imputed by this investigation. Mr. Chair, I wish to add as well, as part of this manifestation, that when he filed the motion to quash, prior to the receipt of the written subpoena, wala pa pong written subpoena na tinatanggap si Attorney Harry Roque. Nag-file na siya ng motion to quash. Why? Because he knows already during the meeting that he expressed his commitment to produce the documents. Reason why we issued the subpoena. To my humble opinion, Mr. Chair, he waived already his right to receive the written subpoena. Second, Mr. Chair, during the last hearing, we extensively discussed his arguments and our answers why we denied his first motion to quash. And third, Mr. Chair, in this motion, omnibus motion and compliance, siya po mismo ang nagsabi. Same arguments ang ni-raise niya. As a matter of fact, he said he is refining the motion to quash. In other words, Mr. Chair, lahat po ng nakasulat dito ay nasagot na natin during the last hearing. I therefore submit, Mr. Chair, that we should deny this omnibus motion, particularly the motion to quash, because this is already moot and academic. I submit, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Luis Tro. Yes, Congressman Flores.
Mr. Chair, as extensively discussed by Congressman Luis Tro, stating the grounds why we are in the right as far as our request to submit this document and continued refusal to submit this document to this Quad Committee. I move, Mr. Chair, that we hold Harry Roque in contempt, Attorney Harry Roque in contempt for refusing to submit the document subject of the subpoena this is taken, and of which he has manifested that he was going to submit to this committee. I so move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to cite Attorney Harry Roque in contempt, and this was duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. Now, just for clarification, we are citing Attorney Harry Roque in violation of Section 11B. Paragraph B, Mr. Chair, for refusing to comply with the subpoena, this is second, and to submit the documents he requested of him. Now, Mr. Chair, in addition, Mr. Chair, I move that we hold Harry Roque in detention for the period of until he submits the document or until the Quad Committee is dissolved, Mr. Chair. There is a motion to detain Attorney Harry Roque, as long as this committee conducts its hearing until we terminate,
Or until he submits. the
or
document.
until he submits the documents required of him.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And this was duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Congressman
Mr. Chair.
Abante.
Mr. Chair, in addition to what Congresswoman
Excuse.
Luis said, ito pong si Harry Roque is actually a person with a two-faced attitude. This representation recognizes that we have a full plate and that we need to hear the testimonies of resource persons who have been invited to our hearing today. But I feel compelled to raise a matter that I believe should be addressed by this honorable body. Isa sa mga iniimbita natin sa ating interim, si Atty. Harry Roque. Hindi lang po siya dating presidential spokesperson, he is also a former colleague of ours in the House of Representatives. At dahilan dito, we were very kind to him. In fact, our senior deputy speaker even asked him only to be detained for 1 day, of which he even questioned that, Mr. Chair. So in the course of our hearing, Atty. Roque was cited in contempt on August 22 for being untruthful about the circumstances surrounding his absence during our August 16 hearing. After being detained and after apologizing to the members of the House, Atty. Roque then went on Facebook and posted, and I quote, "In my view, the contempt ruling smacks of abuse of power and political harassment against an anti-Marcos Jr. critic like me," end of quote. Ay napaka-doble cara naman pala ni Atty. Harry Roque, Mr. Chair. I find this disturbing because if I remember correctly, Atty. Roque was asked if he recognizes the power of the House to hold him in contempt. And he said yes. But the moment he was no longer in our presence, Mr. Chair, he went out and publicly questioned the contempt ruling and accused us of abusing this power. I believe that we cannot countenance such behavior, Mr. Chair. Naging mabait pa tayo sa kanya. I even asked if the Quad Committee would hold in abeyance the contempt charge, just because we were actually kind to him. So this manifestation is being spoken today to inquire if the statements made by Atty. Roque outside our hearing should be grounds to hold him also in contempt, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Abante. Yes, I believe we can defer discussion on that particular manifestation at the moment because we have just cited Attorney Harry Roque in contempt for violating Section 11 of our Rules of Procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation, which states that failure to submit subpoenaed documents before the committee is a ground to cite him in contempt. So for the meantime, since there was already a motion that was approved unanimously by the body, another motion is also improper, is appropriate, and to where he will be detained. Is there any motion?
Mr. Chair, I submit to the motion of Congressman Flores. And I would want to make a motion that Atty. Roque should be detained in the Women's Correction. Hindi po, doon na lang sa pikutan natin. Mr. Chair, sorry po sa pagkakamali.
So is that a motion, Congressman Abante or Congressman Kim?
Mr. Chair, in deference to Attorney Roque being a former member of his House, Mr. Chair, I move that he be detained in the House premises.
Okay, there is a motion to detain him detain Attorney Harry Roque at the House of Representatives Detention Facility. And this was duly seconded. Any objection? No objection. The motion is approved.
Mr. Chair, very quick. Mr. Chair.
Okay, just please make this very, very quick because the topic today is EJK.
Mr. Chair, just for the sake of giving due course to this omnibus motion and compliance, particularly with respect to the motion to quash, I respectfully move that we disregard the motion to quash on the ground of being moot and academic.
Yes, as stated earlier by Congresswoman Jinky Luistro, we will stand by our previous decision of denying his motion to quash. And again, reiterated by the decisions of the Supreme Court that was cited by Congresswoman Luistro and Congressman Keith Flores. Now,
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Congressman Rod, the chair.
Very shortly, just on the matter of the omnibus
make it
motion.
short, yeah.
We still have the matter of the response to the order. And I understand it's superfluous given the contempt order, but I think Mr. Chair, as a body, we should rule on it. And in my opinion, it cites an unspecified condition and an unspecified surgery. It makes mention of an unspecified medical facility. It has been unsubstantiated. And my understanding is, it was imparted to me by the COMSEC. He did not even submit the medical certificate.
Are you referring to the medical certificate to be submitted to the Quad by the wife of
No,
Attorney
Mr.
Harry
Chair. This is in response to Shoko's order because this is the third absence already by Mr. Harry Roque. The first absence, the excuse was appearance in arbitration. The second absence was with no written response. And now we issued the Shoko's order last hearing. And now he has responded through the motion. It is omnibus vote. There's a second part of the Shoko's order. And it would appear, Mr. Chair, that it is an unsubstantiated answer. And I believe, as a matter of course, we should issue a subpoena, Mr. Chair. Although superfluous given the contempt order, I still think that we should move to issue a subpoena at the City Council.
Okay, is that a motion?
Yes, Mr. Chair, I move to issue a subpoena for failure to properly answer the Shoko's order.
Okay, there is a motion to issue a subpoena to Attorney Harry Roque, subpoena ad testificandum for Attorney Harry Roque. And this was duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. Thank you, Congressman Cheres. Yes, Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr.
So, yun na ho, mga ka-action, mga kakamping, no? Ayan, buti lang. May nag-motion pa sa gusto sana na i-detain ito si Harry Roque sa bikutan eh. Kaso lang, may nag-motion na for considering na dati daw siyang kongresista, mas mabuti po na dito na lang daw, dyan na lang daw sa House of Representatives Detention Center, ikukulong si Harry Roque. Nako! Ganda sana ng ni Kong Abante doon sana sa bikutan. Di ba? Oh, ano na? Yung bagman ng Davao makukulong until na hindi pa siya magpasa o mag-comply ng kanyang dokumento. Nako, paano naman kung wala pong iko-comply yan? Habang buhay siya dyan. Paano naman po kung walang i-comply? Mahaba-haba din pala ang pagtulog niya dyan. Ngayon, ang mga DDS, magkurarat naman kamo. Yan. Sobrang yabang kasi ng inyong iniidolo na si Harry Roque. Diba? Buti nga, mabait pa yung house nung ikinunted siya ng 24 hours. Pero, paglabas niya ng detention, nagniyabang naman sa kanyang Facebook page at pumunta doon sa rally na kung saan against sa kay Mr. President Bongbong Marcos. Yan, maganda yan. Marisisi mo na, Harry Roque ka. No? So yun lang po mga ka-action, no? Ko lang po sa inyo, share ko lang po sa inyo ang mainit-init pa na balita, okay? So maraming salamat po sa ating mga viewers Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao all over the world. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, si The Action Man. Have a good day, everyone.
Beautiful.